In this video too, we'll take a closer look at the personal finances section of your client portal. This is the default page you'll see each time you log in, and it's where you can view your investment accounts, portfolio performance, asset allocation, and account activity. Let's begin with the account list on the left side of your screen. Your investment accounts are organized based on the role they play within your overall financial plan. At the top, you'll typically see your Tandem Growth long-term portfolio, followed by any accounts that make up your Tandem Growth short-term portfolio. If you've asked us to include additional investment accounts that we don't actively manage, those will appear at the bottom under non-managed accounts. Selecting any account or account group will automatically update the information displayed throughout the rest of the page. The summary page provides a high-level overview of the accounts you've selected. In the upper right-hand corner, you can choose the time period you'd like to view. By default, the portal displays year-to-date information. At the top of the page, you'll see your current portfolio value as of today, as well as your year-to-date return. The activity summary shows your beginning market value, any contributions or withdrawals made during the selected period, and your ending market value. To the right, you'll see a graph comparing the amount you've invested over time with your portfolio's current value. The line represents your net contributions, while the shaded area shows your portfolio's market value. This gives you a visual picture of how your investments have grown over time. Below these, you'll see the asset category section, which summarizes your investments across broad categories such as stocks, bonds, cash, and, if applicable, alternative investments. Next to that, asset class section provides a more detailed breakdown of those asset categories. Many of these sections include a View Details link, which will take you to other parts that show more detail. Next, let's look at the Allocation tab. This page gives you several different ways to view how your portfolio is invested. You can organize your investments by account, asset category, asset class, or management style. Management style simply groups your investments based on the role they play in your financial plan. For example, you'll see your Tandem Growth long-term portfolio, your Tandem Growth short-term portfolio, and, if applicable, any non-managed accounts. You can click into any of these categories to see additional information, including the individual investments within each grouping. The Performance tab provides a more detailed view of how your portfolio has performed over time. Just like on the summary page, you can change the time period in the upper right corner to view different time ranges. You'll see your portfolio's beginning market value, the market value change for the time period you've selected, the market value as of today, and then your return in percentage terms. To the right of that, you'll see a graph showing performance over time. Below the graph, you can also view performance by account, asset category, asset class, as well as management style to better understand how different parts of your portfolio have performed. The Activity tab displays any contributions, withdrawals, or other account activity for the selected time period. Since we're using a sample client for this demonstration, there isn't any activity displayed. Finally, let's look at the Gain/Loss tab. This page is available for taxable investment accounts. It does not include accounts like IRAs or Roth IRAs. It displays both unrealized gains and losses as well as realized gains and losses. Unrealized gains and losses represent the changes in the value of the investments that you still own. Realized gains and losses are the gains or losses from investments that have already been sold. The report also separates gains and losses into short-term and long-term categories and provides details for each investment. That concludes our overview of the personal finances section. In our next video, we'll take a closer look at the financial planning section and show you how to access your financial plan and planning tools.